Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can apply a job in Woolworths in Australia. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to careers.woolworthsgroup.com.au. And once you're inside the screen, we're going to scroll down until we see this search node right here. In here, we're going to type in the job or the job position that we want to apply for. For this video, I'm going to type in engineer and then click on search. In the next screen, once we scroll down, we have filters that we can apply to further sift through all the jobs available in Woolworths, like the team, within the R's, in which country, in which suburb, or what distance. And after that, you can choose from all the options available that you can see on your screen. For this video, for example, I'm going to view the top option, Senior Platform Engineer. After that, you'd be able to see the brand, the employment type, the date where it is posted, the date when it is posted, the team, the location, and an introduction about the company. And once you're sure that you want to apply for this position, simply click on Apply. After that, you need to log in or create an account in Woolworths. And then, Woolworths will ask you for your personal information and ask additional profile questions and job-specific questions. Do take note that you can also apply with your resume, but you can also apply without. And once you fill all of that, you can submit your application. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!